How to find Automation 360 bot agent version. To check that, first log into Automation 360 control room. Once you log into 360 control room, on the left side you can see this panel. This left panel is common for all type of user, either it's a bot creator, runner or the admin. Only the options varies, these menu options varies depends upon the roles assigned to that particular user. If you are a bot creator or the runner, to check the bot agent version, on this left panel below you have this computer and location icon. Just click here and then you can see the bot agent version. What is a bot agent version? Right now I am using is 21.200. Okay, this is the way the bot creators or runner users can check the bot agent version. If you are an admin and you want to check the version for all the devices which is connected to your control room, then go to manage option, and under the manage you have the devices. Click on the devices. Once you click on the devices, you can see the all the devices that's listed. Right now only one device is added to my control room. That's why only one is showing. And on the right side, on every device on the right side, you have the bot agent version and the column you have and the bot agent version column. If the bot agent version column is not showing here on the table, okay, then you can go and customize the columns. These column might be deleted from the list that's showing on the screen. Okay, you can even add that. Okay, to add that plus symbol you will click. If already it is there, then you can see here the version is 21.20. Okay, even the bot developers or runners in their users, they can come to manage if they have access to manage and go to devices, and they also can see the bot agent version, but it only shows their device. But for admin, it will show all the devices that are connected to this control room.